Today we'll be unboxing our latest Bluetooth CYW20829 MCU development kit. Our 20829 is a full-featured Bluetooth LE 5.4 MCU designed for low-power IoT and industrial use cases. The box includes the 20829 development kit, 6 jumper wires, a USB-A to micro USB cable, and a quick start guide. Here we have the kit itself consisting of our evaluation board and a 20829 M.2 radio card. All the jumpers are already pre-configured for plug-and-play operation, so to see the demo application in action, just plug in the supplied USB cable into the kit and download Infineon's Bluetooth Connect app from your App Store. Once in the app, you'll see a list of detected Bluetooth devices nearby alongside the RSSI. Click into this Find Me on the app and you'll be launched into the menu screen showcasing the GATT database. Now we can update the alert status and see the change on the kit. And that's the out-of-box experience with this kit. Trying out a new code application is hassle-free with Infineon's development environment Modus Toolbox. So let me show you how to get a new application running. With the kit connected into a computer running Modus Toolbox, we'll simply select, choose our board support package or BSP, create, and launch the new application. For those developing their own applications, they can leverage a host of onboard peripherals. This includes the analog mic, programmable user buttons, user LEDs, RGB LED, thermistor, and 6-axis IMU. We also offer greater third-party flexibility with Arduino Uno R3 compatible expansion headers, alongside extended GPIO headers for truly limitless creativity. For new and experienced developers, this kit can accelerate product development, giving you unlimited possibilities with Bluetooth. With our extensive code library, the 20829 is perfect to bring any Bluetooth IoT application to life.